Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts to Xero. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating financial data from another system or setting up a new organization with pre-configured accounts. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, log in using your email address and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can get into your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, open the main menu and select Accounting from the top navigation bar. This will expand a menu with several options related to your financial management. From this expanded menu, click on Chart of Accounts. This section is where all your account categories and codes are stored, and it's the central hub for managing your accounting structure. On the Chart of Accounts page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the accounts currently set up in your Xero account. These might include asset accounts, liability accounts, income, and expenses. To bring in new accounts from an external source, look for the Import button on this page and click it. This button is your gateway to adding multiple accounts at once without having to create each one manually. You'll now be directed to the Importation page. Here, Xero will ask you which system you're importing from. Typically, this will be from another Xero account, and you'll see this as a predefined radio button option. Select the appropriate option based on where your data is coming from. This helps Xero understand the format and structure of the file you're about to upload. Next, you'll be asked whether the file you're trying to import contains account balances. This is an important question because it determines how Xero processes your data. Use the radio button to answer either yes, no, or don't know. If you're unsure, it's safer to select don't know so Xero can handle the file more carefully during import. Now click on the Import button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer for the file you wish to import. The file is usually in CSV format, which is a standard spreadsheet format that Xero recognizes. Locate your file, select it, and click Open. The file will then be added to the importation window, and you'll see its name displayed on the screen. Once the file is loaded and you've confirmed all your settings are correct, click on Import. Xero will now process the file and begin adding the accounts to your chart of accounts. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so give it a bit of time to complete the upload and validation process. And that's it. You've successfully imported your chart of accounts into Xero, which means you can now start managing your financials with all your accounts properly organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.